Hi guys, this is Rama Subramanian. Welcome to my channel Raman Code Academy. In this video, I'll be discussing about important interview questions for the freshers in Java. Few of my students have requested me to start a interview question series. So that's the reason that I've started this. So today we'll be discussing about the first question, a very important question when you go with Java interviews. Right. Now, the first question that I would like to say is difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM. Right. So this is one of the most commonly asked question for the freshers when you go with interviews. Right. So first, let us take some time to understand what is JDK, JRE, and JVM. So I have a small diagram over here which will help you to understand in a better way. So when you say it as JDK, we call it as Java Development Kit. So when you take it with JDK, JDK provides the environment to develop and run the Java application. So in my Java tutorial series, I've shown you a couple of programs where we wrote some programs, we saved it, then we compiled it and we executed, right? So we developed the program and we executed the program, right? So for the developers, right, they need this JDK installed in a system so that they can develop Java programs or applications and they can execute it. So the JDK is meant for developers mission. So whoever wants to become a Java developer in their system, they need to have this JDK. So a JDK, in a sense, like it will have JRE inside it plus development tools which will support them to develop Java applications. So now we'll see in detail about this JRE. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. JRE provides the environment to just run the Java application. It will not help you to develop or it will not help you to compile your programs. It can just run the Java application that you already have it. So JRE is meant for client mission. For developers mission, we need JDK. If you just want to run, you need JRE. So let's say when you take it as if a company, right, you will have developers and you will have the clients, right? Client is not going to compile any Java program. They are just going to execute the programs which is created or developed by the developers, right? So JRE is meant for client mission. JDK is meant for developers mission. So this is the thing that you need to understand. On the other hand, see here, JDK will help you to develop and run the Java application, whereas JRE will just run the Java application. So when you take it as JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment, it will have JVM inside it plus library classes. When I say it is JVM, it means Java Virtual Machine, right? So it JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment, will have JVM plus library classes. So what is this JVM? A JVM is an interpreter. A JVM is responsible to execute the Java programs line by line. So this is the basic thing that you need to know before you get into Java interview hall, right? In short, like I've given it. See here, JDK is equal to JRE plus development tools. JRE is equal to JVM plus library classes. So this is what you need to know before you get into a interview hall.